Hi, good morning. How are you today? I hope you are great. Well, for today's lesson, we are going to work with some video. We will do video practice as well as listening. Yes. And to start, you have 15 seconds to watch at this picture and then try to guess what do you see in the picture. Yes, try to describe in your own words what you see here. You have 15 seconds. Try to guess or give a short, very short description in one sentence about what you see in the picture, okay? So you will have 15 seconds. Okay, so what did you see? Obviously, there is a man, there is a camera, and the man is taking a picture, right? But yes, he is a photographer that takes a picture of his own reflection in a door handle, right? So this is the door, and this round thing is the door handle. The handle, what is the door handle? It is the thing you use to open a door, right? That is the handle. Okay, great. Now let's watch the following. A picture says 1,000 words. What does it mean, right? Do you have a definition for this? A picture says 1,000 words. Is there a similar expression here in Mexico? What does it mean? Try to find a short definition in one sentence, and again you will have 10 seconds, right? 10 seconds. Try to say a definition. Okay, well, time goes by so quickly. Maybe you have something similar to this. A picture says 1,000 words, right? This is a phrase or a sentence that we say, and in English it is called an idiom, right? Idiom, it's spelled like this, idiom, right? Then this sentence refers to the notion, right? A notion that a complex idea, right, can be conveyed with just a single image, a picture, right? Something that reflects this, yes? Or it can mean also that an image of a subject is like the essence, right? That show us more effectively a description that we can give, right? So when you have a picture and you don't have the words to say something, maybe sometimes a picture or a image can give you this meaning, right? And sometimes it is better to have an image or a picture than words. Okay, now let's watch at this picture. Where is the man in the photo? Why is he there? Can you guess? And why can you see here some fingers? There are two fingers, right? Okay, again. Where is the man in the photo? Why is he there? Who is holding the photo? Try to give three short answers, okay? You will have 1 minute, okay? Try to give your answers. Just try to give an answer very short, okay? A very short answer. Okay, well, you can actually use some of the words that you have in the question to give your answers, yes? So you can use the subject, the man in the photo is, and then give your answer, okay? Let's see if you guess. The man in the photo is on a train. Did you imagine that? Or maybe you choose a bus or a plane. Well, I don't think you choose a plane because of the seats, but maybe a bus, right? We have then there is. Why is he there? Okay, we can use then the subject. In this case, the subject is he. It is not there, it's he. He is, right? He is going from home to work, perhaps, or from work to home, right? Or maybe he's just tired after a hard day of working. No? Then who is holding the photo? So we assume that this is a photograph, right? Who is holding the photo? Perhaps someone in the train, yes? I think someone in the train. In this case, we have who. We don't have subject in this question, so we have to imagine the subject. Who? Someone, somebody, a man, a woman, right? So when we don't know who, it can be any person. So someone on the train is holding the photograph. Okay. Now let's continue with the following. We have here some phrases. Yes. I miss you. Please forward. Good luck. Can you match the sentence or these phrases with this, please? Okay. Now, I suggest that you pause the presentation, right? So that you can work. Remember, work in your notebook. And later, I will give you the answer so that you can check, right? So we are going to start working with this, matching the phrases with this, okay? After you finish exercise 3, we will move to video 2.1. Please refer to the last website page I provide you with, and you have the user's name and the password too. Okay, it's the same. So now you will go and find this video. Okay, now watch the video and then just choose, are these objects the man's or the woman's? Apartment 102, a bicycle, a camera, a pen, a bed, a cake, a mailbox, a plant. Okay, you will have to say to whom these objects belongs to. Okay, this is why you are watching the video. Okay, then we will move to the following. You will continue, or you can watch the video again, 2.1, right? And then number, right? Just put in order. This is what you have to do. Number, okay? We already have number 4. The woman is with 2 people and there is a K. That's number 4, so just write a number. My suggestion for this is that you write the letters A, B, C, D, F, okay, in your notebook, and then you write the numbers. Or if it is better for you, write the whole sentence and then write the number, okay? Remember, you have to work on your own pace at your own time. Watch the video, pause the video, then choose a sentence, read it, and choose your answer, okay? Then When you finish watching the video, right? Let's see if you have the answers for these questions. Try to answer the questions without watching the video. From what you learn from the video, just try to get the answers, right? Then, if it is not possible for you or it's too complicated, try to give the answer and then go back to the video, right? Who are the two people with Nassim and the cake? Nassim leaves Los Angeles and goes to Boston. Why does she go there? How does the man feel when he sees his photo on her camera? How does the man feel when he finds the apartment? The man sends the camera to Nassim, whose telephone number is on the photograph. Okay? It doesn't matter if you give short answers. The idea is comprehension. Okay? Then, just to finish, this is we will do this in a wiki. Yes? Do you remember last class wiki we had? So we will work this 8 and 9 in teams in a wiki. But well, I will explain you what we will do. Think about the next part of the story, okay? So you will have to imagine, yes, the next part. What do you think it happened? Nassim receives her camera in the package and telephones the man. Yes, this is what happened. Write their conversation and practice it together. Okay, you are going to do this individually, but we will do it in a wiki in Teams. What we will do is to continue the story, okay? Making up a conversation. Then, exercise 9, we will do it also in Teams, but I will provide you the directions to do it, okay? Then, after you finish watching this, well, when I consider that you have your answers in the block de notas, I will give you the answers so that you can check if you are correct, right? So that's all. Then remember you can go to the Nat Geo website page I provide you with, okay? Remember the user's name and the password, you have them in the WhatsApp, okay? Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, remember to use the chat in Teams. Have a nice day.